Okay, this parcel the customer return. Yeah, take a look. Yeah, this is the parcel. Yeah, you see. Let's open it and check all the item return. See the condition. Yeah, you see this how the condition looks like. Okay, let's try to test out the light, the LED light. Okay. You see the package, the package, all the glue, you see, the package totally broken. The glue, we have to, cut the package. Wow, you see, this is the instruction. Okay, let's show it. This is the switch. Okay, this is the switch. First of all, we need to switch on. This is a switch here, switch on, and the touch. Okay, you see, it touch to change color. Change color. Touch, short touch only. Close. Okay, you see, switch on, touch to change color, and switch off. That's all. So actually this one is very easy, no issue at all. The customer don't know how to use. Okay, this is the LED light. The customer don't know how to use. No issue at all. Change color. You see, switch off. Okay, you just press a few times to switch it off only. The customer never read the instruction book and don't know how to use and anyhow to complain. No issue at all. Okay. Let's okay, this LED light tested idea. Let's test another thing. Okay, this one you see this one you can see the USB cable is missing. You see, no USB cable. The charging cable is missing. You see, the accessories charging and everything is missing. Only instruction book. You see. Okay, this you see open, you see, it's this kind of a package. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a thermometer. Let's take it out and see. You see, this is the glue. All the glues. Cannot clean. Terrible one. You see, this is all the glues. Never use a plastic bag. Never use anything to protect. No protection at all. Okay. Okay, this is the thermometer. You see, this thermometer. Okay. Let's try out. The customer complaining. This one is okay. Battery is not here. No battery. You see. But we sent out no battery included. 2 batteries is empty. Take a look. The battery is not inside. Okay. You see. Not inside. Let's test it out. Okay, let's try. This is another thermometer. Let's test out the difference. Okay, this is hot water, and we test out the temperature at the same time. Okay, you see. Okay. take a look. You see, less than 1 degree. Less than 1 degree. See? You see? Yeah, actually it's very accurate. It's very accurate because you know why? Because this one is test the surface of the the water. So the even though the same type of the thermometer, the measurement is not the same. Okay, but the measurement is less than 1 degree. But this is very normal. It's very normal. Actually, it's quite accurate. Because when I test many times, it's almost the same, no difference at all. When we test a few times, you can see it's 36.2, 36.3, 36.4. It's almost the same. It's no difference at all. Okay, you can see two different thermometer is almost less than 1 degree difference. This kind of thing is actually very normal. Because you know why? Because the height you cannot exactly the same. This one, if let's say a height higher, the temperature very lower. If let's say closer, the temperature same. The temperature is higher. So actually, this one, a bit difference, less than 1 or 2 degree difference, actually is normal. It cannot say that this one is not accurate. Okay, so this one is just no issue at all. No issue at all. But the battery is missing.